Everyone applauded without actually processing what was just said. At GTC 2026, Jensen Huang rewrote the future of enterprise software in just one line. Every SaaS company will become an ass company. A statement which hints at a product shift maybe, but it's not. It's actually the collapse of a business model because SaaS is built around tools. One logs in, configure workflows, assign people, and manage execution. Ask turns this sequence on its head. Now this means that AI agents don't wait for instructions, they don't follow fixed workflows and don't need constant human input. They conversely now reason, act, and complete tasks end to end, which of course changes everything. Enterprise software has usually worked in a fairly simple way. Software defines the workflow, people carry it out, and services firms scale that very work. That's the model companies like TCS, Infosys, and Wipro turned into massive businesses, a pyramid of sorts. A few people shaping the system at the top and thousands carrying the execution at the bottom. Now, that very structure starts to look very different once agents enter the picture because this is the part they handle especially well: execution at scale. And once that begins to happen, the bottom of the pyramid doesn't just get smaller, it actually starts to disappear. And that is what makes this moment different from the ones before it. Let me kind of shed light on that. Cloud didn't wipe out services, it created a whole new layer of implementation work. RPA didn't wipe out services either. It automated parts of the job inside existing engagements. Then, of course, we talk about low code, which didn't wipe out services. Yes, you got that right. It actually widened the circle of people who could build software. But ours changes the equation on a much deeper level. Because this is no longer about making the work faster or lighter. No. It's actually about removing the need to start that work in the first place. The client doesn't call Infosys because the need to is no longer relevant. And this is where the picture gets even clearer. Nvidia is woven right through this shift. It's selling the infrastructure that runs these agents. It's building the frameworks around them like OpenClaw. And it's adding the security stack as well through NemoClaw. So taken together, Nvidia is starting to look like the underlying system for this entire agent-driven economy. At the same time, it's also supplying the compute that keeps it running, which means it isn't really competing with SaaS companies in the usual sense. It's actually becoming part of the foundation they all depend on. And that gives it enormous influence over the economics of everything being built above of it. Then there is, of course, one line here that should make people in India sit up and pay attention. Jensen Huang didn't mention India even once. And the reason he didn't need to is fairly obvious. Because if SaaS works the way he says, works the way he says it will, then the basic model on which large-scale IT services was built starts to come under very real significant pressure. Not all at once, but in a structural manner. The real issue now is whether Indian IT can move up the value chain quickly enough, because once execution begins to get automated at scale, the part that once created the most employment starts to come under pressure. And here, of course, if you were waiting for it, is the front page take. This is not the death of Indian IT, but it does point to the weakening of the model that built it. Because the future of enterprise software is no longer tools plus workflows plus human execution. It is, on the other hand, outcomes delivered by autonomous systems. And in that world, value begins to move toward who owns the agent, who controls the data, and who defines the outcome, not who carries out the task. And once you connect those dots, the direction becomes pretty clear. Agents are replacing execution, Nvidia is powering the shift, and enterprise software is being rewritten from the ground up. So the only question left is, who moves fast enough to stay relevant? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.